Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can merge Trello boards, so let's jump right into it. If you've ever wanted to combine two Trello boards, you might have noticed that Trello doesn't offer a direct board merging feature. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Start by opening your browser and heading over to www.trello.com once the homepage loads. Click Login at the top right. You can log in using your email, Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Just choose what works best for you. Now, to combine boards, you'll need to copy content from one board to another manually. To copy individual cards, open the card you want to move. On the right side under Actions, click Copy. You can rename it, keep labels or due dates, and most importantly, select the destination board. Alternatively, from the board view, right-click the card, choose Copy, and then select the board and list you want it moved to. This is faster if you're handling multiple cards. If you want to copy an entire board, open the board, click Show menu, then click More, then click Copy Board. You'll be asked to give it a name and select a workspace. This will duplicate the structure and all cards. Keep in mind, this doesn't link the boards, it's more of a one-time duplication, but it's a great way to consolidate tasks or reuse